Up for sale, 1964 Chevelle Malibu Super Sport. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 64 Chevelle Malibu SS, finished in factory colors, frame off restored, and I'm going to stop right there because the list goes on. Of course, you know, once again, go around it, point out anything I do see, tell everything I do know about it, fire it up, and then drive it. So, of course, we will start here in the front as always. And just first off, a stunning car. Factory colors, with the vinyl top, saddle interior, bucket seats, console, 4-speed. It's got the original 283 in it, with the original carburetor, factory air, power steering, power brakes. And again, it's not just a frame off, it was a rotisserie. The underneath, the paint and the floors look just as nice as the paint on top of the car. In just as nice condition. Anyway, focusing here on the front bumper. Of course, when it was done, everything was new. I see, you know, a little mark here on the bumper. I mean, like, that kind of stuff is bound to happen. But just wait till I go around this car. You know, bezel, grill, whatnot, trim around it has all been replaced. It's an original California car, an original sheet metal California car. Everything lines up the way that you want it to, and it's not just fitment, the finish is beautiful. And I'll show you that. I mean, look at all this nice fitment in here as you go. It was a factory tinted glass car. Vinyl top is mint. All the trim around it. It's got new glass as well, so of course no cracks, no, you know, chips, no 40-year-old wear like they like to do sometimes. Leave original glass, but they don't. But anyway, as I said, the list goes on. And if I knew how to open the hood, there you go. Right here. It's got the original 283 in it. 4-barrel carburetor. Factory air, which works and blows cold. Still on R12s, actually, so I kind of like that conversion that they left. Power brakes. Power steering. Trim tag is in place. Harrison radiator, quite frankly, could be the original radiator, because I know Harrison was original for a lot of stuff. But just look at the detail here. The firewall, beautifully painted as well. Inner fender wall's clean, and it's a little difficult to make out, but the frame is beautiful. Stock exhaust manifolds on there. It's got the right code on the block. Just got the horn working, actually. We just did that. But yeah. Moving on this way, down the car. Oh, and I love the white walls with the hubcaps. What a beautiful look. The body is laser straight. You see the fitment there, door, edge to the fender, door to the rocker, door to the quarter. And that's straight. Padded dash was an option as well. I only know of a few blemishes on the car, and I will point them out as I go around. 3 of which are right on this door edge there, getting in and out. Bound to happen. But here I want to show something else real quick. Well, one, how nice that looks. Beautiful finish in here. No rust repair. No painted over bolts. No painted over, you know, little rubber, whatnot. New weather stripping as well. You've got correct interior. Super nice door panels. And again, that finish. The front and rear seats still look like new. There's carpet mats that I took out just because I wanted to show how clean the carpet was. As soon as I'm done, I'm putting them back in. The carpet still looks like new. Got the correct steering wheel in the right colors. No cracks in the dash pad, of course. The only thing I know is that there's a super tack here, which is nice. You know, probably went with things that were done over time. Aftermarket radio. Console. Okay, then just to give you an idea, because I know I got it in gear. It should just smooth as silk. If you can hear it. I'll get a little close up on the running later on in the video, of course. I don't want to jump too much out of order. Oh, but again, look at that detail. Down to that corner, no rust repair in that corner of the door. Seat backs are super nice. Carpet is like brand new. And the back seat, again, just as nice as you would expect it to, as well as the door panels, sail panels, the headliner. I'm noticing the only thing missing is the light or the little cap that goes over it, but the headliner's mint, visors, whatnot. And then just because I'm too excited, it also has seatbelts, but just because I'm way too excited. Just look at that. Look at that floor. All the way back. And I know eBay just increased, within the last week, I would say, how many pictures I can put on the ad. So now I get about 40 rather than 24. So I will be showing you much more of the car in pictures as well, rather than limiting myself. And I'd like to say no rust, no bubbles. Underneath is amazing, really amazing. I'd like to refocus my camera real quick, just bear with me. Okay, carrying on. And again, I didn't say the quality of the paint. This is a show quality restoration. Again, the paint is just superb. Again, new bumper in the back. I know he made a big deal about a friend of mine. A little indent right there on the bumper. You know, whatnot here. This just... It's like if you want one of the nicest ones you can find, quality restoration with the colors that were, you know, things work, drive it anywhere, this is the one. And I'm not a salesman. I don't want to sound like that, but just when I get a car like this that I'm just beyond excited about, you need to know. And I wasn't pointing anything out. I was pointing the detail here on this line. Air conditioned car again. Again, no bubbles on the vinyl top, no rips on the vinyl top. I need to grab the key real quick, actually. Hold on. And here's another thing. How easy the door opens and closes. And again, there's those two front mats that I talked about. Spare jack that you can see back there. Tire iron. You got the nice mat. You've got, and I'm going to just zoom in here. Look at this finish right in here. This is like as smooth as the outside of the body. And that's that same silky smooth feeling that the underneath has. Of course, you know, new weather stripping. No water's gotten in here. You got that gray-white spatter paint in here on original quarters, because you could just make out right there the stamping. And then I know the stamping is right there as well, which is what you want to see. And there you go, original trunk pan. Look at that. Over there. Get the sway bar in the back, get a little better look. Yeah. Again, zooming in here, That fitment lines up just super nice. Again, Muncie 4-speed transmission. I didn't mention it, but it is. And it's the 283 with the 4-barrel carburetor, which I said is the original one because in the glove box I was given the tag for it. And also a little business card, Fontana, California. That was actually located in the side of the quarter down there. So at some point, you know, well, we knew it was a California car to begin with, but definitely in California. No painted over bolts, new weather stripping, like I said. See the detail in there, as well as the detail here. But it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 64 Chevelle Malibu Super Sport California car, rotisserie restored. And just look at the detail here, even on this little section. Factory colors, 283, 4-speed, power steering. I missed the wiping something off, it looks like. Yeah, a little smudge, I gotta get that off. 4-speed AC, power steering, power brakes. Even like the finish here, again, all the way down, it's that beautiful smoothness. You know, sometimes I always mention this, the lower you get on certain cars, the less nice the paint is. But I always have to say when the paint is like just as nice here as it is facing the ground, pretty much. That lowest section, that's what sets certain cars apart from others. But anyway, going to fire it up now. I'll let you hear it run, show it driving, and get in for the driving. Thank you. Ready. Super smooth. To pick me up. Oh yeah, I was supposed to pick you up, that's right. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm getting it. All the gauges work?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. always like those shifters. It's the same. It's along the lines of a Corvette shifter, like a 64. Yeah, where you lift up, but it's got the L in it, so it's different.
Rock out for first.
Yeah, yeah, I like those.
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing's smooth.
Yeah, it is.
When we got it, I got it and I just drove it around the block. I'm like, oh yeah. I told the guy, I said, just in time after I learned 4-speed, I can finally drive this beauty.
Brakes are nice, high and hard.
Oh yeah. So when we're done, we're gonna pull it in the front of the building by Dad. Yeah.